Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to hide top seller. Log into the backend, go to Configuration and then Cache, Performance. Go to Setting tab, click Top Seller inside Marketing subcategory. Uncheck the Display Top Seller in Shop. Go to Cache tab, click Select All, then click Clear and start process. Go to Shop and refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.